G'day guys, today we are installing the rear MOLLE shelf from Get Good Gear. We're going to show you guys how easy this is to fit and why we've got it. Let's get ripped in. Super simple guys, you only need two tools to do this. Phillips head screwdriver and an Allen key. Phillips head screwdriver is to remove the handles. Once you've done that, you don't need it. And then the Allen key is to fit the brackets and the panel itself.
First, you're going to use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the pre-existing handle and repeat this process on the other side. Then you're going to loosely fit the brackets either side using the 6mm bolts and Allen key. Now what you want to do is test fit the rack to make sure it's sitting nice and level before tightening up the bolts into place. The rack was also designed with a fascia plate that is also removable for the convenience of your preferred setup. We decided to fit ours with the fascia plate, so we bolted this together before fitting the rack into place. The great thing about this storage rack is it's built light but strong with 3mm thick alloy and true MOLLE pattern, so there is a lot of room for custom mounting brackets. Head over to Get Good Gear to grab yourself one today.